Changing your payout method on Currency 2026 is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payments are directed to your preferred method. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Currency 2026 account by entering your username and password on the login page. Make sure you have your account credentials ready. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access your account preferences. Step 3. Select Payout Methods. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use Shrug to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose your new payout method. Review the available payout methods and select the one you wish to use. This could include options like bank transfer, PayPal, or other payment services. Follow the prompts to enter any required information for the new method. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout method details, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your new payout method is activated. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on Currency 2026. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.